I'm Ben Garner. I'm Logistics Director for Tarmac for our materials business. We're the largest construction materials company in the UK. We provide essential construction materials to major projects or house building projects across the breadth of the country. Our fleet is made up of about 1,300 trucks within our aggregates and asphalt business and another 300, 350-ish in our ready-mix concrete business. We've been using Podfather since 2016 to help us plan our operations and for our e-pod delivery tickets. Starting in 2023, we started engaging with the Podfather team about how we could take that to the next level, how we could introduce automated planning and how we could bring route optimisation across our fleet of vehicles.
I'm Dan Wiley. I'm National Logistics Optimising Development Manager for Tarmac. The project we're currently working on is an extension of the planning software that is currently installed in Tarmac. What we want out of this project is to make planning more automated and allow AI to make more informed decisions to allow planners more time to make better decisions with the data that the system gives us.
So the idea is you effectively, as a planner, you press a button, it automatically plans the entire country for you, and it does it in the most optimal and efficient way, reducing empty mileage, reducing dead running and increasing the productivity of the fleet. There's only so much a human being can plan, probably a maximum of about 40 or 50 trucks at any one time. What that means is we have trucks crisscrossing each other, empty. What the system allows us to do is automatically pick up those cross-border movements, optimise them and make sure that our fleet is running laden as much as it possibly can. The more you can keep those trucks running full, the lower your carbon footprint will be. In this case, carbon is fuel is cost, so actually that's where the cost benefit is, both to Tarmac but also in terms of our hauliers and the earnings that they get, the profitability of those jobs. So we introduced the system last year for our bulk aggregate movements. So they're the movements that are carried out on the larger articulated vehicles. That has been a challenge to get people's head around, but it's finally fully implemented and being used by the teams out there, and it's optimising those movements, making sure that the trucks are running full as much as they possibly can. We are about to go live with our solution for rigid vehicles. So they're the smaller vehicles that tend to operate on asphalt. So we've been working with Podfather to develop that kind of asphalt job sequencing, because you need trucks to arrive in a certain order so that the asphalt isn't sat around waiting for too long before it gets laid into the road.
What we need the system to do is we need the system to understand our needs and our business needs to serve our customers better. The challenges are that we need asphalt prioritised, we need aggregates serviced, and that is the balance that we've got to find with the automation of the planning system.
So we've been working on that project for a long period of time now, and we're anticipating some really great benefits, both from an automation of the planning perspective, but also in terms of customer service, actually making sure it's planning those deliveries according to the sequence that the customers ordered them in and aligned with our plant production capabilities as well. What we've really enjoyed about this project is being able to work really closely with people that understand our business, understand our needs and our requirements, and develop something that really works for us and works for our hauliers and works for our customers.
Working with Podfather has been efficient, it's been personal, and it's been a great working relationship to address challenges with open and honest communication.
In terms of the next steps, there's an awful lot more we can look at where we can bring everybody together to create a much more rounded solution. Logistics is simple, right? Logistics is about making sure stuff gets there on time and your trucks are as full as they possibly can be when they're running. And certainly Podfather's solution is helping us to achieve that.